Hanji, a very good afternoon to all my lovely students. So in the very first class, you all made a promise to me that you all will be talking in English, at least 4 to 5 sentences every day. Now, please raise your hands who all are, doing it with your family, your siblings, your parents, friends, or outside with your teachers. Raise your hands who all are speaking in English every day. Very good. I can see very few. Why so less? Come on. You still haven't started talking in English? Oh, that's sad. Okay, at least 2 sentences in English every day. See, then what is the use of this speaking in English class? That's not fair. Okay, now whoever will promise that they will be speaking English from today itself, now please, they all raise your hands. And now please be truthful to this. You all will start speaking in English at home or at school or outside at restaurants, shops, wherever you go. Why am I seeing such less hands? Come on, raise your hands. You all can speak. Why are you not raising your hands? You don't believe in yourself? Do you think you won't be able to speak or what? That's not fair. That's so, discouraging for me. Okay, let's try to talk in English, to speak in English at least 2-3 sentences every day with your partner, with whosoever you are sitting, your friend, your best friend, while you're studying, while you're discussing your homework, discussing your tiffin, any kind of discussions in the class, on the playground, in your buses. Let's try to speak in English, okay? All right. So if you remember, last time we went to a shop to buy some stationery. Nishchay and his sister Disha, they both went, remember? And what did we learn? That Nishchay was asking for so many things from the shopkeeper, like, I want book, I want pen, but nothing was specified. He was not, putting any limit, what he wants, how much he wants, which one he wants. So the shopkeeper was so confused. He was so perplexed. What are you asking for? Right? So Nishchay actually confused the shopkeeper because he was not using the determiners. Then his sister Nisha stepped up and he told that use the right determiners and then he will be able to understand. Then he said this, that, mine, right? Neither of the books. This all we have done. I hope you all remember. Okay, this is a little recap. All the pens. I want just one pen. I want both the colors. Hanji, it's okay. Okay, which book is that? Which book is this? I want that book. So what is he doing? He is specifying and he is setting up a limit and defining. Determiners are determining that I want this, I want that. Okay, now let me just a second. Bache, now you all have to come forward when I ask and you have to reply to the questions, okay? All right. So now, okay. I hope you all can see this now. So these are just 5 questions. After that, you all have got your worksheets, right? You all have I can see you all have worksheets in your hands. So let's just do these 5 questions and after that we will start with the worksheet. Okay, so let's just be quick. Whosoever I ask, just come forward if you want to volunteer. If you want to come forward by yourself, just come, okay? Now, from Socrates, central line, second bench boy. Please come forward, bache. Hanji, please come forward. Now the sentence is, Nishchay bought one color box from the shop. Can you please tell me which is the subject? What is the subject in this sentence? What is the predicate in this sentence? And what is the determiner and what type? These are the options given. First of all, what is the subject in this sentence? Nishchay bought one color box from the shop.
Honest about
No. Subject is the person, the thing, the place, idea, thought that we are talking about. We are talking about Nishchay here. So Nishchay is the subject. And predicate is bought one color box from the shop. What is the determiner in this sentence? Okay, Socrates, central line, second last girl, please come forward. Second last girl, Socrates, central line, Hanji. Bache, first of all, can you please tell us why is Nishchay the subject and then which is the predicate also and determiner also?
because he receives the action.
He is, yeah, he is doing the action, right? We are talking about Nishchay and the action that he is doing. What is the action here? What is the verb here? The activity? What is he
Bout
doing? Bought. He bought, right? And which one is the determiner and what is the type of that?
one and numeral determiner.
One is numeral determiner, right? Good, but you can go back. So first one is the correct option in this. Okay. Now from Miletus, central line, last boy. Can you please come forward, Miletus, last boy, central line, quickly. Let's just make this a very power-packed, 20-30 minutes of session. Miletus, central line, last boy, please come forward and please tell us what is the subject predicate. Hanji bachche aajo. What is the subject, predicate, and determiner in this sentence? The shopkeeper showed many pens to Nishchay. Again, bache, more than this question and answer round, this is a speaking activity that we are doing. Even if you do not reply the right one, Hanji. A. Can you tell me why is the shopkeeper subject here? Subject, when you are starting with the period, we say, na, this is maths subject because we are going to study maths. We will be talking about maths, right? Our focus will be maths. So whatsoever you're talking about, that is the subject. Okay. So we are talking about the shopkeeper here. A is right, but you can go back. Predicate is showed many pens to Nishchay. What did he do? What is following the verb here? Showed is the verb in the past tense and many pens to Nishchay. Okay, so this is the whole predicate. Many is the quantifier. It is telling us about the quantity. Okay. Now, anybody from Walter? Anyone from Walter, please come forward. Sentence is, which pen did Nishchay finally choose? You have to tell again the subject, predicate and the determiner. Hanji, the worst thing that you can do in a speaking class is putting your heads down or hiding your faces. Right? Don't do that. You don't know the answer, come forward, just say, I don't know, or this is not clear to me, because we have to speak, bache. We just have to use our voices here. Okay? Now, anyone from Walter, please come forward. When I ask anyone, I expect a lot of students will come forward. Okay, central line, Walter, last girl. आ जाओ बच्चे जल्दी से. Central line, Walter, last girl, please come forward. Please tell all of us which is the subject here, predicate and the determiner. Walter, bache, are you coming forward? Where are you? I cannot even see you. All right, let's just be very quick now. Which pen? We are talking about the pen. Hanji, bolo. Yes, please. We are waiting. Which pen is the subject? Because we are talking about which pen. Pen is actually the subject, and then which pen? Did Nishchay finally choose? That is the predicate, and what is which here? Which is the interrogative determiner. Now, just be quick. Anybody from whom should I call now? Plato. Anybody from Plato, please raise your hand. The sentence is Nishchay and Disha bought some pens and chose those notebooks. You have to tell me what kind of subject. Is it a simple subject or a compound subject? And whatsoever it is, which one it is, about the predicate and the determiner. Anyone from Plato? I can see last girl hand risen. Please come forward with Hanji. Second last, yeah. Kudos to such students, who come forward by themselves. That is great. It requires a lot of courage and guts, I think, in your class here.
Compound subject.
Hanji.
Compound predicate.
Very good, bache. So which option is correct here?
A, ma'am, A.
Right, absolutely. That is great. Thank you so much. You can go back now. So, what's your name? What's your name? Okay.
Ma'am, Rasam.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Clapping for her. Very good, bache. So, compound subject is always joined with, most of the time with and. So, we are talking about Nisha and Disha, Nishay and Disha. So, two people we are talking about. So, this is a compound subject. This is a compound predicate because now we are talking about two activities here. Bought some pens and chose those notebooks. Compound subject, compound predicate, and some and those are two determiners, right? Now, please take out your, okay, there is one more question. Anyone from Tolstoy, please come forward. After this, we'll be starting with our worksheet. Anyone from Tolstoy, please come forward. Last boy from right hand side, who has just put his head down and he's, now just stooping under the bench. Please come forward. Jaldi. Hanji. Neither option pleased. Nishchay. What is what here? It's very easy. We are talking about neither option. Neither option is a subject. Pleased. Nishchay is the predicate and neither is a negative or a distributive. Neither, either. Okay, good. You can go back. Now, please take out your worksheet. All right. Who will come forward from Epicurus? Read the first paragraph that consists of 2 or 3 lines and just tell all the determiners that are being used there with the type of the determiner. From Epicurus, please. Hanji, there is a girl who has raised her hand. Please come forward, bache, from side lane. Hanji. Please read the first paragraph with the type of the determiners that are being used there. So first of all, the story's name is The Mystery of the Old Library. Okay? Hanji.
This was no ordinary day for Riya and Rohan. Their grandmother had given a map that led to an abandoned library at the edge of town. This map shows every secret passage in that library, she had whispered mysteriously. Both children were excited as they crossed the tall iron gates. Several crows perched on the watching them with serious eyes. Rohan noticed some footprints in the dust. Someone has been here there recently, he claimed. Look at these fresh marks. inside itself was covered.
That's it, bache. Thank you. So I was asking, can you please tell the determiners in the first paragraph with the type? In the first line, Hanji, this, okay, you can just say this quickly now. This is what kind of determiner? This. This is what kind of determiner? This, that, we have already done it. Hanji, Miletus
Ma'am,
first bench.
ma'am, demonstrative determines.
Yes, that's good. This and that, because we are demonstrating. I want this, I want that. Okay. Now from the second paragraph, Miletus first bench central line. But which all are the determiners here and what is the type? Miletus central line, first girl. I think you just raise your hand, right? Second paragraph, which all are the determiners in this one? Okay, let's do this quickly. Both. What is the type of both determiner?
Possessive.
Nahin, bache, we are not saying, we are not, talking about any ownership. We are not talking about any possession. This is yours, this is mine, that's hers. No, we are talking both. It's a quantity, right? Both the students, all the students, everyone, each of the students. Okay. So this is a quantifier. Very good. Very good. Several. What is the type of determiner? Several. Oh, you have gone back. Okay. Next girl who is sitting with her, Miletus. Can you please come forward? Hanji. I think you also raised your hand, right? Several. What is the type of this determiner?
Quantifiers.
Very good. All right. These students are very good. These. I'm demonstrating something, right? Very good.
Demonstrative.
Very good, bache. You can go back from Plato, second last bench girl who just raised her hand. Please come forward. Hanji. Each. Each is what kind of determiner? I hope you all have read this story, right? Each. See, I'm always giving you clues also.
Quantifier.
Each, but like last time also we discussed that some of the things they overlap, right? Each when I'm saying I'm quantifying also at the same time, it can be a distributive determiner also. Okay. Majorly it's distributive. Okay. Okay. After each, many. Okay. All right. Miletus is really giving many answers today. Miletus side lane. I think it was second bench girl. Hanji bache. Hanji, please come forward, side lane. Many. Quantifier. Good. His. HIS is. Very good. Now, very good, bache. So we can see that this can be a possessive pronoun also, right? So these are overlapping here. Okay. Several. Several, a few, many. All these are quantifiers. Okay. All right. Whoever. Can anyone tell me what kind of, is this a determiner first of all? Whosoever thinks, whoever word is a determiner, please raise your hands. In the last paragraph, you can see the first word is whoever finds this has proven themselves worthy of protecting our heritage. Sorry, it is the last line of the second last paragraph. Whoever thinks that whoever is a determiner, please raise your hands. Okay. Is it a pronoun? It is a relative pronoun, right? Because we are telling about a relationship, whoever. Okay. Now, So first activity is done, but please revise this once again once you go home. Okay. Let's do this quickly now. There are 6 sentences for section B, fill in the blanks. Okay, from Russell. Central line, last girl. Please come forward, bache. Russell, central line, last girl. Please come forward with your worksheet. First 2 sentences. Please speak those sentences with the correct answer. Russell, bacha, I'm waiting. We all are waiting for you. First 2 sentences with the correct answer. Dash children decided to explore the library. Both, each, or every. There was Ria and Hanji. For first one is bache, both. Both children decided to explore the library. Now, what is both here? We just discussed it is distributive. Okay, both of them. Again, it can be a quantifier also, right? Now, second sentence. I had asked you for the second sentence also. Never mind now. Tolstoy. Okay. Tolstoy, first bench central line. Anyone from you, please come forward. Now he's like, you can go, you can go. Okay. The other one has a better pushing power, I believe, right? Hanji bache. Second sentence. They found dash ancient manuscripts in the room. Many, that's right. That's good. Now stay here, don't go back. Third sentence. Ria opened dash chest with great care. The very good. What is a chest? What is ornate? Nobody asked me from this one, so I believe everybody knows what is an ornate chest. If you don't know, now next class I'll be asking you what is an ornate chest. Okay. Now fourth question. Dash shelf in the library was covered with dust. This sentence was literally in the paragraph, I believe.
Every.
Very good. Now you can go back. Somebody was raising hand for fifth and sixth question. Who will come forward? Let's see. For fifth and sixth question, quickly. Then you have to pack your bags. Okay, Karl Marx. Boy who has just raised his hand in turban. Please come forward, Hanji. Please tell us answers for fifth and sixth question.
Ma'am, fifth, ma'am, several, sixth, these.
These, are you sure? These? It's adventure, not adventures.
Ma'am, this adventure.
This adventure. And I would really appreciate if you can just read the full sentences for next time. Okay. So thank you so much, students. Please, a little bit more of energy next time, monitors and few students who came up themselves. Thank you so much. That is the thing that makes me the happiest. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye. See you then.